I didn't make this. A present. I think it's sourdough. I actually don't know how to spot the difference, but I know that she makes a lot of sourdough bread, so I presume it's sourdough. It's so soft, it's really hard to cut. I hope my painting in the studio stays on the wall. Should be, it's been drying now for like a couple of days already. But I don't think it's outside paint. Does that look freaking cool or what? You guys are wearing your safety gear, right? You should always wear your safety gear when you're watching my videos. Yeah? We have a billboard in the yard. Although it's big, that's maybe too far away. I wanted to use it as a backdrop for the next video on the main channel. When I had the desk over here. It seems a bit small though. Too far in the background. But the idea is there. Final review of the interview questions. I was just reading up on my guest so that I know a little bit about if they published anything about their escape already, then I'm informed about that, so I can ask directional questions, the right questions. So, when did you first consider escaping the rat race?
Tu não tem outra casa?
Sim. Eu escrevi para connection outra casa. The same guy was here, who came to remove the breaker from the electricity to connect the Ghost Town Hotel. We have light in the hotel. And we still have a bed. I left the door open this week a couple of evenings. Apparently he's happy here. Which doesn't make me happy. Look! And look. We have a new meter. So the guy came in and opened the electricity box thing. And he was like shaking his head like. So this is all very old, and this is also not the right thing. Just like we had in our main house, this is just a switch, an on and off switch, and it doesn't protect anything. So he was like, okay, I'm gonna replace the meter and connect the electricity, but then you have to fix this. And then he's gonna come back and remove the... There's actually two. There's one sort of disconnecting here, and there's also one here. So just like in our house, that is not how it's supposed to be. It should go directly into the meter. But if he does that, then I cannot take the power off to replace the whole stuff. So that's why we're doing it like this now. This is also funny, like in Portugal, they literally cut your electricity. And then they just leave it hanging like there. And then when it gets reconnected, they put in like a block to reconnect it. I don't think that's how it works in Northern Europe. So yeah, at least we have electricity here now. Which means that I can supply the new studio directly from here. Which means that at least one cable we can remove from the street. Oh, the guy was also complaining about the cables from the Brazilians. If EDP sees that, they're gonna remove it, he said. I said to him, like soon they come to cut the grass, and then probably it'll be removed by itself. So that's good. If we want to do anything there, we're probably going to do something with the bathroom like in a couple of months. And at least we have loose electricity.